Hi, I'm Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland.
And I'm Owen.
And we're here to do the June Stitch Fix unboxing and review video. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. So for this Stitch Fix, I didn't ask for anything in particular. In the past, I have asked for like a comfy but nice looking kind of leisure wear for all of this working from home, quarantine style kind of thing going on. In the past, I've asked for destination specific clothing, like for when we went on a cruise and we went to Mexico and when we were in Hawaii. So I've asked for very specific things, but for this one, it's a true surprise. I have no idea what's inside this box. Owen, are you excited to open up this box?
Yeah.
What do you think's inside?
I think it should be some comfy clothes, some things that might not be your favorite, but I mean, because you didn't ask for anything in particular.
So we have no idea what's inside. Should we go ahead and open this up and see what's in there?
Yes, we should.
Okay. Okay.
So it looks like we have a pink shirt right there.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, I like the feel of this one.
Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You like the feel of this too?
I think in our other video, I think this one would go well with those pants.
So this, oh yeah, it would go really good with those pants.
Mm-hmm.
This is so soft. I love this pink color. This is from Market and Spruce, which is one of my favorite brands I've gotten from Stitch Fix so far. It looks a little bit wide right now.
Yeah.
But I think if I put it on, it'll probably lay really nicely. And to be frank, I have definitely been eating a lot more during quarantine, so looser clothing is probably not a bad idea. But I like this. I can't wait to try this on. Such a pretty color.
Can I go to all of them too?
Sure. What do you like?
I'll give it half of 10 out of 10.
Half of 10 out of 10?
Yeah, so one more half would make it 10 out of 10.
Oh, so 9.5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is a brand called WILDFOX.
I like that one.
It's super soft.
Feel it.
It is super soft and cozy, and it's kind of like a little bit stretchy. But it is a sweater.
It's stretchy.
It's cute. Owen's got a sweatshirt with stars that is dark blue. So this would coordinate very nicely. That'd be fun for Instagram photos, I think. But this is super cute. It's not something I would normally pick out in a store, but it is so soft and cozy that I could definitely see this, especially for like cooler evenings, throwing it on outside, hanging out. Okay, let's keep looking.
I'll get the next one. Ooh, I already like it.
Okay, this one is, let's see, what is this?
It's not really my favorite, but kind of.
Oh, so this is kind of cool.
Yeah, I like it. No,
you like it? So it's kind of a mix between a blouse and a sweater. So the sleeves are kind of knit here, you can see. And then this this part, it's really nice. It's super thin and I don't even know. I mean, I guess it's cotton, but it's a rayon, maybe it's like rayon cotton kind of. But this is really cute. I don't normally wear stuff like this, but I love this print. There you go. It says the color is dark slate. I don't know, but this would be really cute, I think, with jeans, or it would go nice with knit pants to be extra cozy. Okay, what else do we have in there, babe?
Ooh, sweatpants.
Ooh,
really long sweatpants.
These look nice. These are let's see what brand this is. FP Movement. Oh, Free People. It's Free People. These are super cute. So these are gray sweatpants. They've got pockets on the booty, and they are super soft and cozy. And I'm excited to see if these fit me. But I really like the feel of it. And I think there's one more inside.
Yes, there is. And this is the last one.
These are kind of fun.
Shorts.
Okay, this is Gen 7 by 7 for All Mankind. These are Capri pants. These are a really fun color. I had some pants this color before. These are, gosh, I'm gonna try them on, but I'm nervous these might be a little bit too small for me now. I realized before I did this video that I have not updated my size and weight for Stitch Fix. So I'm a little bit nervous that the pants are gonna be too tight, but we'll see. But I really like this color. This is so cute. And it would go with that top. This is, I think, the first Stitch Fix box where I like all of the items. I can't believe it. What do you think, Owen?
I don't like it.
You do or you don't?
I do.
You do. Okay.
This, when you were doing it around, it scratched me.
Oh, honey, I'm sorry that it scratched you. Are you okay?
And it made a little red line.
I do see a little bit of a red line. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and try things on and see what it looks like. Okay, so I am trying on the top, the blue top, and the sweatpants. And I really like this top. It is so cute. It is, it's soft, and it's different than anything else that I own. I have tried on lots of things that have the raglan sleeves and the mixed prints and things like that, but this is the first one that I really like. And I feel like I could wear a camisole underneath of it for a little bit extra warmth if I wanted to, but otherwise I feel comfortable wearing it just as a t-shirt, basically like a long sleeve shirt. The pants are super cozy. I like the backs. They might be a tiny bit tight because I did not update my sizing, so I might need to exchange them for a slightly bigger size because I feel like they're a tiny bit tight in the legs too. But otherwise, I really like them. Owen, what do you think?
I would give them a 10 out of 10.
Oh, cool. I would give them, I'd probably do 9.5 out of 10.
Huh?
But pretty good. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and try on a couple more things. All right, so now I'm trying on the light pink top, and I really like it. I'll stand up a little bit so you can kind of see. Oops, I'm sorry, honey. It looked so huge, but I think that it actually fits really nicely. It lays nicely, and it doesn't seem nearly as huge as it did when I kind of held it up, and it looked really wide. I think it lays really nicely. I am noticing that the armhole is a little bit big, but I don't know, you can't really see much. If I kind of do this, not too much, sorry, honey, watch out. I don't want to clop you again. But I do like it. It's really soft. It's a pretty color. And I think I could even wear it with jeans probably. So I don't know if I would wear something underneath of it because it seems just a tiny bit see-through, but I think it's really cute. Okay, let's try something else on. All right, so I'm trying on the star sweatshirt and then the green pants. So you can kind of see with the pants, they're definitely a little bit too tight for me. Excuse me. They're definitely a size smaller than I probably would get. They're actually surprisingly comfortable. I thought they would be feeling a little bit restrictive, but they're stretchy. I love the color. I think I might exchange them for a larger size if I decide to keep them. But I think they're super cute. And the sweater, I would normally, like I said before, I normally would not pick out something like this with the stars. It might be like a little bit too junior for me for what I normally wear. But it is so comfy. Like it is, it's just like the softest material. Do you want to feel it?
Get to try. I came over on this side.
Yeah, what do you think?
Oh.
He likes it. It's super cute. So here is the top. Here's the shorts or the pants. The pants are capris, but they're too tight for me right now. But yeah, okay. So that's my Stitch Fix unboxing and review. I really like this box. I think they found some super cute things.
We're gonna try on one more thing.
We tried everything on, honey.
No, the new pants.
That's what I'm having on.
Oh.
Yeah, we tried everything on, all 5 items in the box. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you're new to Stitch Fix, you can get $25 off of your first box. And right now they are really lenient on when you return your box. So before it used to be very strict on at the 3 days you get your box, you have 3 days to mail it back. Now they've relaxed that because they understand during these difficult times that not everybody is getting to the post office very regularly. So you have a little bit more leeway. So now is the time to try Stitch Fix. I haven't been to a store since the pandemic started. And I really, really look forward to getting my Stitch Fix boxes every month because it's something new to try on. It gives me that feeling of shopping and kind of being out in the world a little bit, but while I'm in the safety of my own home. So I highly recommend it. If nothing else, it's something fun to do, something to break up your week, a new surprise to look forward to. I like not knowing what's inside. That's half the fun for me. And I found some really cool things. So I'm really excited about this Stitch Fix. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the things in my June Stitch Fix box. Thanks.